Hello dear students, we are discussing our chapter 4, physical education for children with special needs. Special needs means we all are not same, and few students, few children who are differently abled, how to give them physical education and how to make them to be in the mainstream. So these all things are there in this chapter that we are discussing, and we discuss few things that today we have the recap session, revision session about whatever we have discussed in our live classes. So first of all, two things: disability and disorders. Disability is mainly the incapability or problems facing in doing our day-to-day work due to some physical problems. As suppose someone is not having the upper limbs, they cannot do something with their hand because they don't have, and lower limbs disability or manual dexterity. So these all are the physical disabilities. Some more disabilities are related to our brain, which can happen due to some accidents or some chronic disease or some brain injury because of that. So because of these things also person is feeling disabled or not able to do as other people can do the work. So these all things are there for disability. And disorders, generally it is related to our mental capability, and because of the disturbance of a mind and people are not able to do their work efficiently or properly. So there are few types that we will be discussing. So generally disabilities are of three types. First one is physical impairment, physical disability. Second one is sensory, and third one is congenital. So there are three disabilities. Disability and disorders. There are mainly five. First one is ADHD. It is attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. In this type of disorder, person is not. There are basically three types. Okay, inactivity, hyperactivity, and sometimes the patient get violent. Okay, so that time it is called as impulsivity. So there are three types ADHD. In this person, if they are not willing to do any work, they are not paying attention at all. Sometimes it happens, or sometimes they are doing some work very repeatedly, so that it grab the attention of other people. I suppose they are walking here and there, so they will continue on working for hours. So that is a mental problem. So first one is ADHD, second one is SPD, third one is ASD, fourth ODD, and fifth one is OCD. So these all will discuss. First one is ADHD, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Second one is sensory processing disorder related to our sense organs. If we are not getting the proper stimulus from our mind, definitely the person is suffering with the mental problem. So they are not able to do work efficiently, and some other problems are there that we have to discuss. And autism spectrum order, oppositional defiant disorder, and obsessive compulsive disorder. So we have discussed about that, and all four remain that we will discuss in our for videos whenever we will be having live classes. So these all are the things we have discussed: physical disabilities, sensory disability, and congenital disabilities. And disorders we have discussed about ADHD. So hope you have understood all the things which we have discussed, and there are sub titles that also you have to go through. You can go and you can see what are the things are there and try to understand. Okay, that's all. Have a nice day.